Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Outlook and composing a new email. Once the window is open, go straight to the Format Text tab. This is where Font controls live. Click the small font dialog launcher in the font group to set typeface, size, and style for this message. Do this now so you immediately see the change in the editor. Making visual adjustments is faster than guessing. If you prefer quick changes, select Text and use the font size dropdown to increase or decrease size instantly. Once done with a one-off change, set defaults so you don't repeat it. Go to File, choose Options, then Mail and click Stationery and Fonts. In that dialog, select the font and size for new mail, replies and forwards, and plain text separately because each can behave differently. Pick sizes that balance readability and layout. Larger sizes increase line length and may wrap differently. When you confirm and click OK, Outlook will apply those defaults to new messages going forward. You finish by saving changes, closing the Options dialog, and restarting Outlook to ensure settings load. Compose a test email to verify the font size appears as expected in the editor and send it to yourself. Make sure the message format is HTML or rich text, since plain text ignores font choices. If sizes revert or recipients see different fonts, remove custom stationery, check for a company policy enforcing styles, or confirm the recipient's client isn't overriding formatting. That troubleshooting step fixes most inconsistencies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.